Hello, everyone. Let's continue to learn about the exposition of the divine principle. So, we are now number 2 under chapter 1, the common elements in the natural world. Letter A, entity between yang and yin. The result is there are two dual characteristics. And letter B, the entity between internal nature. So, internal nature, there is an inner quality, and the external form, the outer form. And there are two characteristics also. So, we said that God is the first cause. Yes, so his he has two characteristic between original yang and then original yin. And the first cause of original internal nature and the original external form. Okay, so there are two characteristics also. So, number 3, relationship between both original internal nature and external form, and God's original yang and yin. So, this is the original internal nature, original yang and yin. Original in external form, original yang, original yin. So God is the harmonious union of masculinity and femininity, which manifests the qualities of original internal nature and original external form. So God is the subject partner, having qualities of internal nature and masculinity toward the universe. Okay? So, feminine and masculinity and femininity. God has two characteristic. Masculinity and femininity. Okay? So, Adam and Eve is the nature of God. So, this is all for today. Bye, everyone.